Hi all, welcome to my channel HappyHome.Positivity. Today I finally made my mind to clean and reorganize my pantry shelf and cabinet. My goal is to make my daily kitchen items easily accessible and overall to make it look clean and organized. I also intend to declutter and move to glass storage jars, but this is a slow process. Hence I will be retaining a few good quality ones. Now let's begin by emptying and cleaning the cabinet shelves. These are a few jars which I already had. I have repurposed some of the old pickle and jam jars. To make them look uniform, I have painted their lids white. These are some of the jars or canisters I have purchased. Before you buy any storage jars, you should keep some points in mind, like the quantity you want to store in them, height of the shelves, whether you want the items stored in them to be airtight or you want the simple lids. These are some of my airtight jars in which I store items I need to be crisp and fresh for a long time. These PVC self-adhesive shelf liners, they totally change the look of my open shelves. They are available on Amazon with different colors and sizes. I also got some of these baskets to store the extra groceries. I got these pull-out baskets for the top shelves. These 3-tier rack makes all the spices in my cabinet accessible and visible. These are some of the plastic containers retained as my son tends to reach to them.